Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can know if your Cash App account is locked, so let's get right into it. Now, I will be using this official support article from Cash App to explain to you guys how you can figure this out. The reason being, I don't have Cash App in my region, and even if I do, I wouldn't be able to show you because I wouldn't be able to replicate that issue. But to see if your account is locked, it's actually very easily done. Cash App themselves will lock your account if they notice any sort of, well, suspicious activity, unusual activity, or anything of the sort, and they will temporarily lock your account. They prioritize your safety, and if you have some unusual activity, meaning your account might have been hacked or your card may have been stolen, they will lock it. Now, to figure out if it's locked or not, you should check your messages, either your email or your phone, depending on what you use to create your account, and they will send you a notification within 24 or 48 hours confirming they have completed an investigation and locked your account or unlocked your account. Now, this lock, you will be notified if you have been locked, especially if you're trying to use Cash App or if you're trying to open it up. It probably won't let you use it simply because your account has been locked. But after 24 to 48 hours after they receive or do that investigation, you'll receive a notification that your account is good to go and it'll be unlocked. Now, you can lock your account or lock your card manually, and that's done by going into your card menu in the bottom left of your screen, clicking the second to the left icon, which is the card icon, and you can see there if you've toggled the card lock on or off, and that might be just an oversight. You might have kept it locked for some reason and forgotten to unlock it, but other than that, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.